Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we are going to contrast the R, O, U sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. The U, O, R sounds in Vietnamese are the back vowels. Now I'm gonna go from high to low. U, O, R. So you can see that the U sound is the highest back vowels in Vietnamese. Now let's make your back of the tongue a little bit lower. We have the O sound. And now let's do it again. Make your back of the tongue a little bit lower. We got the R sound. Another difference between these sounds is the mouth shape. Let's take a look at these pictures. When you say the U sound, your mouth opened like a small tight circle. But when you say the O sound, your mouth is opened a little bit wider, so open your mouth slightly. And when we say the R sound, we have to open our mouth partially. Now let's do these sounds again. U, O, R. Now let's practice saying some words with the U, O, R sound. Bu, bô, bò. Cú, cố, có. Nu, nô, no. Lũ, lỗ, lõ. Thủ, thổ, thỏ. Mũ, mổ, mỏ. Bún, bốn, bón. Ung, ông, ong. Chung, trông, trong. Cố thủ. Ô tô nhỏ. Có ô tô cũ. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the U, O, R sounds. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Bố, thu, có, ô, tô, to. Now a little bit faster. Bố thu, có, ô tô to. Now with normal speed. Bố thu có ô tô to. Con, thỏ, nhỏ, cố, thủ, trong, bụi, cỏ. Now a little bit faster. Con thỏ nhỏ, cố thủ, trong, bụi, cỏ. Now with normal speed. Con thỏ nhỏ, cố thủ, trong bụi cỏ. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.